So you got your parrot. Your parrot is interactive, energetic, and social, right? Hey, how you doing? Welcome to the party. Hello, hello. Yes, how was your experience? What are you about to do? Yes, how you feel today? Great, let's go. All right. And a parrot draws attention.
Yeah.
Even if their mouths are closed, they draw attention. Because you're going to look at, oh, those shoes match your outfit. Hey, look at your eyebrows. They are nice, yeah. The parrot will draw attention just by the color. And then if it starts talking, you're even more amazed. Now you're like, oh. All right, so let's go. Imagine this flight experience now. The parrot is in the tree. So if the parrot talks to the eagle, how much more we gotta go? But the parrot might say, you can do it. Let's go, because he's talking. You never see a parrot go, hey, how you doing? How you doing? How you doing? Come here, come here. Want to talk to you. That's the parrot. So that's your parrot experience.